Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer Ethereum from Revolut to a wallet. So first thing you need to do is open up your Revolut and then you have to click on this crypto tab from the bottom of your screen. Then on the screen, you have to click on this send button. And after that, you will see the similar screen. So you have to tap on this search bar and search for the Ethereum. And then once you find it, you need to tap on it. And then on the screen, you have to select the network that you want to use to transfer your Ethereum. After that, you have to paste the wallet address from the wallet. So you can open up your wallet, any wallet you want. I'm going to use the Binance. Then you have to simply locate this option deposit. You have to click on it, and then it will give you this list of cryptocurrencies. So you can use this search bar to search for Ethereum and type the Ethereum and select the Ethereum from search results. After that, you have to select the network. Keep in mind that you have to select the same network that you have selected in your Revolut. Once you have selected the network, you will be able to get your wallet address. So just click on this copy icon right next to your deposit address and then go back to your Revolut app, paste the wallet address in this area and then click on continue. Then your wallet address will be added on the screen. So simply click on this wallet address and then you just have to enter the amount, how much you want to transfer, and then click on review transfer. And then lastly, it will give you the summary of your transfer. So make sure to check your wallet address and the network and the amount you are sending, and once you confirm these things, click on send. And as soon as you do that, your Ethereum will be transferred from your Revolut to your selected wallet. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.